Hi everybody, I'm on the canal because I just finished filming underwater. I tried homemade pre-bait. I was wondering if it's going to attract fish, and it attracted lots of fish. I will show that to you in a different video, not in this, because there is one more reason why I'm today in this noisy but beautiful at the same time day. It's Sunday, 7th of April, at the canal. Because I've got a parcel from Westing, one of my favorite. There is a car. Let's let it pass. Noise. As I said, it's Sunday. I don't like Sundays, but I had no choice. So I've got a parcel with a few new products and a few very nice colors of existing Westing products. And first let's look what is in the box, and then I would like to try some very interesting and cool experiment. So here it is. This is the box. I opened it already. I couldn't resist not to look what is inside at home, and we have very beautiful colors of Tommy the trout, a few different sizes, two actually sizes, 15 and 25 centimeters. Really nice colors. I'm 100% sure they're going to be very efficient. Then Ricky the Roach, also very nice, beautiful colors. And Percy the Perch. There are two different types, different colors, new colors, and different types. And combo with soft body and absolutely hard swim bait. Also a few nice looking new lures. I never tried them, nice colors, and they look very nice. I'm going to try them soon. And eventually Mike the Pike. Very beautiful, interesting color called Baltic Pike. Three different sizes, 17, 20 and 28. 28 is my favorite size. And this is my favorite color of Mike the Pike, called Chopper Pike. I caught huge amount of pike on it. Some of those pike you can see on my channel, fishing with this color and strikes as well. So today I'm going to try this my favorite, most efficient color, Chopper Pike, versus new Baltic Pike. Two 28 centimeters Mike the Pike, these two colors, side by side, hookless. So let's go and try to check which color Pike would prefer today.